Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. If you're like most everyday Windows users, the built-in tools often feel limited. Whether you're annoyed by clunky file navigation, basic clipboard support, or just smooth task management, Windows defaults usually cover the bare essentials. But don't go much further. That's where less-known utilities from the Microsoft Store can step in to seriously upgrade your experience without overwhelming you. Today, I'm sharing 10 free, under-the-radar Windows apps from the Microsoft Store, all with solid ratings, and each designed to make daily computing easier, smarter, and more pleasant. These aren't mainstream names, you've likely never heard of most, but they do some really clever things that default Windows tools miss. No tech jargon, no extra costs, and nothing overly complex. Just 10 user-friendly tools that most people can start using right away to get a smoother, more polished Windows experience. Let's get to it. Today's video is sponsored by SEO Big, the easy way to build a professional website in just 1 week. Whether you're starting a business, a blog, or an online store, SEObig.se makes it fast and simple. Click the link in the description to get started. Number 1. Explorer++ File Manager. Explorer++ is a lightweight open-source alternative to File Explorer that brings multi-tab browsing, bookmarks, and customizable layouts to everyday file management. With tabs, you can switch between folders without extra windows, and bookmarks let you save frequent locations. It supports drag and drop, renaming files in batches, and even runs portably if needed. This app transforms the folder browsing experience. Instead of juggling multiple Explorer windows, you get everything organized in one clean interface. You can also customize columns, view hidden files easily, and quickly compare folders. It's fast, low on system use, and works great on older PCs. Perfect for users who download lots of files or organize many folders. It keeps everything streamlined and efficient. Number 2. IrfanView. IrfanView is a fast and lightweight image viewer that's perfect for quick photo previews and simple edits. It opens images instantly, much faster than the default Photos app, and supports tons of file formats. You can crop, resize, batch rename, and even add watermarks. It's ideal for casual photo work or just organizing large folders of images. Whether you're renaming screenshots or trimming an image for a project, IrfanView makes the process quick and painless. Use keyboard shortcuts for fast file browsing and rotating images. It includes slideshow mode for quick viewing of folders of photos. Excellent on lower-powered PCs or older machines because it uses virtually no memory. Number 3. AnLink. AnLink is a handy productivity app that lets you mirror or project your Android phone screen directly onto Windows and even control it with your mouse and keyboard. It shows your phone display inside a floating window on your desktop and supports drag and drop file sharing from PC to phone. For everyday use, it means no more fumbling with cables or constantly checking your phone. You can reply to messages, copy pictures, or manage apps right from the PC. A real time saver for anyone who switches between devices throughout the day. Notifications from your phone pop up in Windows so you don't miss calls or messages. Screen mirroring stays in sync even during calls or music playback. Great for sharing files quickly without plugging in cables. Just drag from PC to phone and you're done. Number 4. OneCalendar. OneCalendar ties all your calendars, Google, Outlook, Live, and more, into one simple app with a unified interface that updates in real time. It replaces juggling multiple calendar services or relying on built-in calendar apps. Instead, it shows everything in one clean view and lets you quickly add or edit events. This is perfect if you manage personal or work schedules across accounts. It's less cluttered than Outlook and simpler than switching apps when checking your day at a glance. Event reminders show up on your desktop, so you won't miss important meetings or birthdays. You can color code different calendars for work, personal, school, etc. A handy mini calendar widget in the tray lets you see your day without opening the full app. Number 5. Ferdium is a free open-source app that centralizes all your browser-based chats and services like Messenger, Slack, Gmail, and more into one dedicated interface. Instead of keeping multiple browser tabs open or juggling between apps, Ferdium pulls them together with unified notifications and custom icons. Everyday benefits include fewer distractions and a smoother workflow when managing messages, meetings, or services, especially helpful if you multitask across platforms. You can mute specific services when you're focused or group related apps into workspaces. Custom keyboard shortcuts help you switch services quickly. Ferdium runs in the background without slowing down your browser or PC. Number 6. Fluent Reader. Fluent Reader is a clean, responsive RSS reader that works with Feedly and delivers your favorite news and blog content in a beautiful 3-pane layout. It replaces the need to manually check websites or deal with scattered RSS solutions. Everything you follow is in one spot, with offline reading support and simple navigation. If you enjoy keeping up with blogs, news, or niche sites, this app offers a clean and focused experience. No ads, no clutter, just your content. Save or star important articles and easily search through past posts. It supports both light and dark reading modes for day-night comfort. Ideal for commuting or reading offline, your articles sync and stay accessible without needing internet access. Number 7. Auto Dark Mode. Auto Dark Mode gives Windows full scheduling control over light and dark themes, something Windows doesn't offer natively. You can set dark mode to activate at sunset during battery saver mode, or at custom times, and even control when accent colors switch. For users sensitive to brightness or who work late at night, it automates visual comfort and reduces eye strain without needing to toggle settings manually every time. It can also adjust your wallpaper based on theme automatically. Handy for gamers or binge watchers to switch themes when launching full-screen apps. Lightweight and minimal, it sneaks in without draining system resources. Number 8. ModernFlyouts. ModernFlyouts replaces the outdated system pop-ups for volume, brightness, and airplane mode with smooth, movable overlays. Rather than the big, chunky pop-ups Windows usually shows, you get sleek, customizable panels that feel more modern and consistent. This is especially nice on laptops where you're often adjusting brightness or volume. The flyouts feel faster, cleaner, and just make using your system more pleasant. You can change the flyout position and style to match your preferences. It supports media controls too, showing what track is playing and volume overlay. Works great across multiple screens without jumping between zones. Number 9. Microsoft PC Manager. Microsoft PC Manager is a system optimization utility straight from Microsoft that helps clean junk files, manage processes, and optimize settings, all for free. It simplifies maintenance by cleaning unnecessary files, monitoring system usage, and offering one-click actions to fix common slowdowns. Perfect for normal users who don't want to install third-party cleaners. It keeps your PC tidier, helps it feel snappier, and lets you stay in control without digging into Task Manager or storage settings. It also offers startup management, so you can prevent unnecessary apps from launching at boot. With built-in storage and memory usage graphs, you get instant insights into performance. Regular use can extend battery life on laptops and keep your machine running smoothly over time. Number 10. EarTrumpet. EarTrumpet upgrades the basic Windows volume control with per-app volume management and quick switching between audio devices. Instead of just one volume slider, you can see each app that's using sound and adjust them individually. It's super useful for gamers, video editors, or casual users who want to mute one app while keeping another loud. All of this is just a click away from your taskbar. It also lets you move audio between headphones and speakers with a click. The UI matches Windows style and shows right in your tray. Perfect for managing audio when using Zoom and streaming at the same time. Thanks so much for sticking around. If you found even one of these hidden gem tools helpful, please give the video a like. That helps more people discover them too. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss future tech upskill videos packed with underappreciated apps and everyday productivity tips. All the apps I mentioned today are linked in the description so you can try them out yourself. Mix and match depending on what parts of Windows feel slow, bland, or just too basic. These free tools are easy to use and great for adding polish and capability to your daily computing. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.